Welcome back, Gromies. Today I'll be showing you how I start my week 4 training with LST, low stress training. But first, quick update. We actually moved one of our ladies into a new grow space, so if you see me missing a plant, she is here. She didn't die, nor did we sell her. We're just giving her a little more space while we add to the current setup. She's doing wonderful, the topping was a success, and I cannot wait to bring her back to the original room. But this is our Cody Kush at currently week 4. Now with LST, I always wait about week 4 and sometimes as early as week 3 because as understood by its name, it's extremely low stress on the plant. So I suggest doing it as early as possible in the vegetative state. Now, like most training, begin when your plant has 4 to 5 healthy nodes, and I always test the stem by tugging on the plant just a little bit to see if it will be resilient enough not to snap. But before we begin, there are things you will need handy. Quality tape is actually the only thing I use in the beginning, and it's probably the only thing I'll show you in this video. But you can also use a rubber band, and if you use a rubber band, you will attach it to a pin to actually bend the root. Optional, you can use a drill and wire, which can be used for a more permanent hold. But for this time, I'll show you by just using the tape. Now, the reason we LST is it's very beneficial for indoor growers, as when you bend the main cola, you allow your light source to get an even layer across the whole canopy, rather than just your main cola. This allows the plant to be a little more maintained, as well as provide a bigger yield. So, as you can see, we're just slightly tugging on the plant, just to make sure the stem can withstand this. Don't worry though, your plant can withstand it 9 times out of 9, so go ahead and try this, as again, this is one of the most low stress training your plant can do. Now, this is a super simple process. All we're really going to do is take the top leaves and we're actually going to slightly bend it towards the lip of the pot, which is going to cause an entire bend of the plant. From there, we're going to take that top leaf and just tape it right to the pot. As simple as that. The tape will actually hold the leaf in place, which will hold the stem in place. So, as you can see, with the tape, the whole plant has been bent, so the actual stem will be completely exposed to the light, which will cause immediate and increase in your growth. This is a super and highly recommended method for all growers, as well as all varieties of cannabis, including the Autoflower, as it's super low stress and super simple. But that's about it. Thank you again, as always, for watching SB Live Soil. Stay tuned for more updates, as well as new videos coming out, as well as our final video on our increasing yield series. We're going to do MainLining, and we might actually add super cropping as well. So enjoy, and hopefully your grows go as well as these.